at the mall at 9 p.m. in the evening. Bago mag 9. Wala nang masyadong tao. Almost night time na lahat. Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. A perfect place. Gusto mo mag-alone time. Nakakalula sa pag nasa second floor hanggang first floor. Ooh, nakakalula. Welcome to Ayala Manila Bay.